Thinking about building and launching your own inventory mobile app connected to your Airtable's database? Don't worry, at Bravo Studio, we got you covered. Head to bravostudio.app and check our sample apps and Figma UI kits, which you can fully customize to meet your app requirements and style. You can also explore the fantastic Figma community, where you will find beautiful and pixel-perfect Figma designs completely free, which you can duplicate and customize, just like this one. Remember to download our Figma plugin, which will help you Bravorize your designs faster with the necessary Bravo tags. Our Figma plugin will also check your design to inform you when an app screen is ready to import to Bravo Studio. If you don't have an inventory database just yet, you can build one in seconds with the newly launched Airtable's AI. After customizing your mobile app screens in Figma, you are ready to import your design file to Bravo Studio. Next, create a data collection for your new app. Go to your app's Data tab, create a new API collection, and select Airtable Wizard. Follow the steps to add your database's shareable URL and create a unique access token. Our Airtable Wizard will automatically create all the necessary API requests for your app project. Once you have created your API collection, you can bind all the design elements to your dynamic data. Once you have fully customized your app, you can start testing your app with real users using Bravo Vision. Ready to publish your app? Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.